All right, so you vibe coded an app and you're trying to get some customers and do all that, but have you thought about emailing them? How are you going to email your customers from your Bolt, your lovable app, right? You need to actually email them to engage them, tell them about discounts, all of these things. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to vibe email. This is a brand new idea. I don't think anyone else is talking about this online. So let's get into the screen and I'll teach you how to do it now. All right, so to get started with this, we are now going to vibe code your automated emails, right? So what does that mean? It's going to actually use our data from our tools, right? From our Supabase, our information about our customers, and send them emails when they complete goals. So I'm going to go into this a little bit in a second. So for example, I have my tool. It's called Viva Lingua. It's for speaking English with AI, but let's have a look at how this works first of all. So we have our Lovable and our Bolt, right? These are our builders, the AI coding builders that build our tools for us, and they often use Supabase as a database to store all our information, right? So our customer emails, our Stripe payments, all of that gets stored in the backend here. So what this tool does basically is it adds something else. It's like email here. So email. And what this does, it connects to your Supabase, right? So your Supabase information is added to this in one click, right? You'll see when you sign up, you can actually get like 5 different emails set up in one click. All you need to do is tell Dreamlit exactly what you want it to do, and it will send these emails for you. Okay, so let me log in and show you how it works. Okay, so all of these were set up with one click. The re-authentication, invite user, change email, confirm sign up, reset password, and magic link, right? So all of these were set up in one click as soon as I signed up for Dreamlit. So when a user does all of this, it gets sent they get sent a nice email, right? So you can see the email here. So you can see they get a nice email. It looks good. The emails on Supabase do not look good. They look really bad, and you can't really, it just has a link to reset password. So this is much more professional for your business to actually have this type of email sent. And like I said before, I didn't have to do anything. I just said, they just said, do you want this email? And I was like, yes, okay. So that's it done. But you can also set up some workflows. So one of the ones that I've been doing is a nurture sequence. So each day the user signs up, it will use my email here, welcome to Viva Lingua, and then wait one day, the next email and the next email. So every day the users will get re-engaged with an email sent from Viva Lingua that looks really good. You can see here, it looks really, really nice that I got Claude to write these emails for me. And I'll show you what to do with that in a minute. So Claude is like the best writer of the AI tools. So I recommend using Claude for writing. So let's just see some examples of the types of emails that you might want to do. So how can I engage my customers at vivalingua.ai? Okay, so it gave me some cool ideas here. So welcome series for new customers. So that's what I did already. I like this re-engagement campaigns. That could be pretty cool. Win back offers for inactive users. That's something I want to do because quite a lot of people have signed up for the tool, but they haven't actually paid me. So yeah, that could be pretty good. But here we have some actual specifically for my audience. So I could do this. I could set up a daily vocabulary tips or word of the day. Yeah. So I like that a lot. So all I need to do is say, write me emails for this one. Okay, so it's writing. It wasn't specific enough. We've got Italian. We don't have these languages. This is one of the things that Claude does a lot. It's like it makes more work for me because like, oh, I need to get Spanish and I need to get French and all of this. But anyway, you can see that the email is really well written here. It looks really, really good. And you can add this like streak status. I also want to add that. So let's say I just want to copy this email, right? So I want to send this email to my customers, right? So for example, so to do that, we just go to a new workflow here in workflows. So you just simply say what it is you want. This is an AI agent that will go out and do this for you. So you can say, send this email 8 days after a user signs up. Okay, because I already have 7 days, so maybe don't want to send them too many emails, do I? So now the AI agent is going to go work and build me here a workflow that it's going to send automatically this email. Okay, so once you're happy with it and it looks like the other workflows, you just need to click publish there. I'm not going to do this because this one is not really relevant for mine. You just need to click this apply button. We also have this activity log. I can see exactly the emails that people are getting. So you can see I just sent this one 10 minutes ago. So you can see the emails that are getting sent like to all the different users who are signing up. This is a much better interface than Supabase, for example. I find it very complicated to try to find all the active users of people. What's happening in Supabase is not that easy to see. So I recommend checking out this platform. I'm going to be trying to get as many AI agents doing as much work as possible for my business, right? I have a Skool Community if you want to join. We're just talking about all this stuff: AI agents, AI SEO, everything for building and marketing your AI SaaS. Thanks for watching.